We have not compared outcomes in our study. We have not compared the outcomes directly to the trials. A good reason for that. One of our focuses in this study was on healthcare utilization as an outcome pre versus post. In clinical trials, an awful lot of the utilization is prescribed by the protocol. That's a reason to do real world analyses with these, so we can see what the decisions the clinicians are making when they're less constrained by the requirements of the protocol. We did, however, see one difference, not in the care, but in the type of patients, the characteristics of the patients that were seen. Average age of the patients in the pivotal trials, 56 to 58 years of age. Our study, average age was 70, median was 71. Half of the patients in our trial were over 71. Another characteristic, presence of severe comorbidities. Over 50% of our patients had chronic heart disease, kidney disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, other serious conditions common in the elderly, common in this population, but the kinds of conditions that in many cases, not in all, we have claims data. We don't always know the severity of these conditions, but they were present. So at least for some of the patients that we saw, again, over 50% of our patients had one of these conditions. These are conditions that, at least for some of the patients, would have led to them being excluded from the clinical trial. And we saw pretty positive outcomes coming from this.